Here I have NAVITEL T500 and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, tap apps icon, find and select the settings. Then you need to scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose about tablet. Afterwards you need to find the build number and let's tap a couple of times on build number. As you can see, you are now a developer, so you can go back to previous list and right here under printing you've got developer options. Let's tap it. Here you can enable a couple of useful developer features. For example, you can allow the bootloader to be unlocked by using the OEM unlocking. You may also scroll down and enable USB debugging. Let's tap OK to allow USB debugging. You may also enable bug report shortcut. You can select mock location app, enable view attribute inspection and a lot of more. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.